Hi, Mashable. Welcome to my little Bombay nest. This is the first little corner as soon as you enter the house, and I think because I live alone and I'm in, I literally keep calling it my nest because it is. I've tried to do my best with every corner to also make it aesthetic but also multifunctional because that's important in Bombay. So actually, this is a really lovely piece of antique furniture that I think I found in like one of those big furniture markets that is in Bombay only. It is a shoe cabinet down here, so that's always useful. And my little key bowl is there because when you live alone, the number of times I forget my keys inside the house and then I'm locked outside is insane. That is maybe the most special thing to me because that is my dog, Snoop, who lives with my parents in Delhi, of course, but I mean, he's a huge part of my life and he had to be right at the entrance of my house. This is, of course, the fam. It's a very, very special photo because it's the first time. This is from my dad's 60th birthday when we had gone to Italy, and as a family, it's the first ever time we went to Europe. First ever time I went too, so it was a very special moment. And this is actually something I hand painted. Growing up, we used to have these woodcraft classes, and for the longest time as a teenager, I used to use it as like my accessory box, but now I just felt like it looks really pretty here, and it's a little bit of a thing from my childhood. And that's a mirror because as actors, we're narcissists and we love looking at ourselves every chance we get. So there is a mirror and I can see myself from 3 angles here, which I love because we like to do, a quick hair and makeup check in every possible angle. Okay, and then we kind of arrive at this wall, which is actually maybe one of my favorite walls in the house. It's also got, again, everything in Bombay is multi-utility. So it's the bar, but it's also my little coffee station where I kind of pitter-patter in the morning and make myself a quick cup of coffee. But I think the special part about this wall is that, I'm not the kind of person who's hyper-curated. So I can't over-plan. So even with this home, because it's my first in Bombay, I took my time with it. I wanted things that as my life goes on, I pick up from different places because I just feel like when you're surviving every day just by yourself, you have to become your home. And that's a process that kind of takes time. Reminders from childhood are always good. This is a very special story because this is a letter that I received from Lady Shri Ram College, मैं दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी गई थी पढ़ाई के लिए, और तो LSR मेरा एक्चुअली ड्रीम कॉलेज था. और जब मैं दिल बेचारा की प्रेप कर रही थी कॉलेज ग्रेजुएट करने के 1 साल बाद, मैं मुंबई में थी और मेरे डैड ने मुझे एक दोपहर को फ़ोन किया और बताया कि एक चिट्ठी आई है घर पे which says कि I have become the gold medalist at Delhi University. I knew I had topped LSR, but I didn't know that I had we didn't know that I've become a gold medalist in all of the universities. So I was in shock, but of course ecstatic. And so even the envelope is in the frame because it's just that special. This is a sketch that a fan actually made. I can't remember if it was मेरे या तो बर्थडे पे था या दिल बेचारा के 2nd या 3rd anniversary पे था, but it's one of those rare ones that found its place up on the wall because I just immediately got it framed and I was like, this one has to go up. These are posters that I've picked up from anyone who follows me know I spend a lot of time in New York. So this is my favorite Mother Teresa and Mahatma Gandhi graffiti in Chelsea in Manhattan, and this is my favorite poster shop actually, so that's up there. So yeah, और ये of course मेरी फिल्म धक धक का एक बहुत स्पेशल souvenir है. आई थिंक कोशिश हमेशा यही होती है एंड नेचुरली भी हो जाता है कि जब आप एक फिल्म पर 1.5 साल 2 साल काम करते हो तो कुछ ना कुछ you keep kind of collecting. Sometimes I love collecting a character's clothes or something from their house. And with Dhak Dhak, it was this. That's just some of the stuff up there. Come, I will take you to my little kitchen now. Okay, this is my little open kitchen actually, and honestly I love this space. Firstly, यहाँ जब दोस्त आते हैं तो everyone's sitting here and I'm kind of making chai for everyone. I can do a very good poha. तो चाय और पोहा में बहुत मजे आते हैं. And whenever I enter home, actually my चाय का tray with my particular mug जिसमें मैं हर रोज पीती हूँ चाय, that's always here. And I've reached a point where I think literally without even looking, I can figure out कि क्या चीज़ किधर है. Fridge is very important again when you're living alone क्योंकि you're kind of figuring out your food all the time. So और कुछ I think आपको मिले ना मिले मेरा ये this is my gujju achar. My mom is Gujarati, and without this hari mirch ka achar, my life does not go forward. So I'm that typical gujju who even when I'm traveling, this goes with me. And this is, the desk come dining table come honestly like adda spot. Like I said, जब दोस्त आते हैं तो सब यहाँ बैठते हैं and I might be cooking and all of that kind of goes on. It's also one of my preferred spots to read. और ये जो पीस है ये बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि मुझे DIY टाइप का स्टफ बहुत पसंद है और ये एक्चुअली these are glass jars that I thought would be nice to use as light caps, and these LED bulbs I can make them dimmer and brighter, so depending on the mood of the evening and stuff I can kind of create that mahal. And then this is where I love to plonk after a long, tough day, and honestly, I can nap here for hours. I can watch TV here for hours. But for now, I shall tell you about something that's extremely special, which is behind me. That is a first print poster, actually, from the Rockstar release day. Mere liye, it was that moment where I felt like, okay, now in the middle of my living room, the start of my journey goes up front and center. मुझे अपनी मॉम की बहुत याद आती है because you just realize when you grow up that you've basically become a reflection of your mother, you know. I remember she's a floriculturist, so plants are a huge thing for her, and I've tried to my best ability to be a plant mommy and put as many plants as I can through my window ledge. And to see parrots coming, to see tiny birds coming, pigeons coming, like building their own nests in my nest gives me that feeling that there's some energy that they like, that they come here. So we यहाँ चाय पीते हुए बहुत मजे आते हैं because you just look out and you're like, okay, life is good and you've done well. Yeah, and then this is just, you know, another just trying to make use of this little cove almost. It's really, really special because this is actually a bag that my producer of Kadak Singh, the film that I did with Pankaj Tripathi sir, he gifted it to me for Christmas, and I loved it so much कि I thought bag के जैसे मैं इतना use शायद ना करूँ, तो I converted into a pillow cover with like this little seating area. There's kind of a few of the awards that one is obviously very grateful for and kind of garnered along the journey. There's a film slate there. I think this was given to me by an assistant director on one of my films, I can't remember. There's always some amount of flowers whenever I can. I kind of pick them up, aate jate. Just seeing fresh flowers in the house is again something jo Mama has always done growing up, or aadat si hai. Without that, you know, it feels incomplete. This is again, you know, बिना realize हुए all of these things have happened where I happened to see this, I think, on a trip, this really beautiful photo frame, and I felt like it'll be so nice to kind of put things from different parts of my life. So this is at Gaiety Galaxy, my film that Aditya Roy Kapoor and I did together called Om. That's Jaguda, which is Jackie Shroff, me and Adi, with a theatre full of people on our premiere night. And it's always a photo that reminds me of the magic of the movies. And that's why it's made its way up there on the wall. And yeah, there's different photos of just the fam, because I don't think any amount of missing is ever enough. ये क्लॉक मेरे एक बहुत ही स्पेशल दोस्त ने मुझे गिफ्ट किया था जब मैं when I had moved into this house, and that's actually मुझे एक जर्नी जो बहुत स्पेशल लगी है इस घर के बारे में is that जो भी मेरे ज़िंदगी में मेरे सबसे करीबी लोग हैं, it feels to them like this is their home, and so over time they've given me things or brought me something that they think will add value to my life. And this clock is one of those things. It's a classic London clock, and found its place perfectly on that pillow. And welcome to, oh my god, such a vibey corner. Honestly, I feel एक खास बात इस घर की ये है कि it's कोई symmetrical shape में नहीं है. I think because of that I've been able to create these special corners and really take out as much as I can from each little nook. I don't know how this idea actually came. I think एक दिन there was a process जब मैं दोस्तों से बात कर रही थी. I was going on Pinterest, and you're just thinking about design ideas and stuff like that. Before that it was kind of just a plain corner, and I thought it might be nice to have these pipe-like rods with a wooden ledge. Never realized कि यहाँ जब when I have get-togethers and stuff, everyone would be kind of by the window when the hawa comes in. The beach is right here, so there's very nice hawa both in the morning and in the evening. It's of course somewhere where I also sit and have chai and things like that. मैं चौकड़ी मार के यहाँ बैठती भी काफ़ी हूँ. Yet another special corner. Actually, an entire almost half of the nest dirty brick blue wall was a very, I don't know, again, impulsive decision. Something that once I chose the color of the sofa and just how everything felt, I always, blue and green, I think, are peaceful colors. And looking at it makes me feel like yahi to hai beach, which is true. But what's also special is the painting behind me. मेरा एक फिल्म मेकर दोस्त है समीर जैदी. हम कॉलेज गए थे साथ में, और जब मैंने ये घर when I moved in, he pointed to this wall and he was like, you have to keep it free for me. And I think मेरे पहले हफ्ते ख़त्म होते ही I walked into the house and there was a carpenter kind of knocking the nails in and putting this painting up. And it's a painting made by him. It's line art. It's actually non-lift line art, so it kind of goes in a continuum. And he always felt like that little figurine is me. He feels like I thrive in chaos. He's seen me through school, through college, and now here we work in the industry together. So he always sees me as someone who fits right in and thrives amidst the hustle bustle. And yeah, to see like a pictorial representation of something one of your best friends did in your own home is always a good reminder. Thank you, Mashable, for gate crashing my nest. That was pretty much it. And I had a blast doing this. But, okay, let me tell you about this one last thing before you go. ये actually जब मैं 6-7 साल की थी, मेरी mom, like I think again, every mother and father, I was sent to painting class. और ये वहाँ की painting है. तभी you'll see Sanjana written as well. And again, it's Ganpati ji, so it's right at the entrance of the house. And it's very special. So yeah, that's the story behind this special Ganpati ji. Thank you for coming, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.